Discover the tools that are redefining modern woodworking and making projects faster, cleaner, and more precise than ever before. In this list of 15 brilliant woodworking tools, you'll find smart designs, innovative technology, and must-have gear every craftsman will appreciate. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools can boost accuracy, save time, and help you create professional quality results in every woodworking project you tackle. Woodpeckers sliding, bevel gauge and bevel block. The Woodpeckers sliding bevel gauge and bevel block are precision tools designed to simplify and improve angle setting in woodworking. The sliding bevel gauge captures or transfers angles with superior accuracy, featuring a unique end-mounted locking knob and a wedge-based clamping system for secure adjustments. Made from anodized aluminum and stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting durability. The bevel block complements the gauge, providing a physical reference for common miter and dovetail angles. Machined from solid aluminum, it offers 24 total angle references, making it ideal for precise, repeatable setups. Together, they deliver unmatched accuracy and efficiency for professional woodworkers. Woodpeckers Mini Square. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a compact precision tool crafted for fine woodworking and tool setup. Machined from a single block of aircraft-grade aluminum in the USA, it offers exceptional durability and accuracy, maintaining a tolerance of 0.001 inch per foot. Its small 1 1/8 inch by 2 inch size makes it perfect for checking the squareness of chisels, plane blades, and other cutting tools. The non-marring aluminum body prevents tool damage, while the dark red anodized finish provides high contrast for visibility. Lightweight and portable, the Mini Square easily fits in a pocket and includes a custom storage tray for protection. BI-DTOOL Featherboards, adjustable woodworking safety. The BI-DTOOL Featherboards are adjustable woodworking safety tools designed to enhance precision and protection during cutting operations. Featuring a 6.3 inch extended double featherboard, they offer a wide adjustment range, accommodating various workpiece thicknesses. Constructed from high-tech polymer with angled fingers, these featherboards provide consistent pressure for smoother, cleaner cuts while minimizing kickback and vibration. Their ergonomic design includes a unique miter gauge slot and easy-to-use knobs, allowing quick installation on miter or T-slots. Ideal for use with table saws, router fences, and bandsaws, the BI-DTOOL Featherboards ensure stability, accuracy, and safety for both professionals and DIY woodworkers. A joist hanger with hanger buddy. The hanger buddy is an innovative installation tool designed to simplify and speed up the process of mounting joist hangers with precision. Made from durable powder-coated steel, it functions as an adjustable jig that securely holds the joist hanger in place while you fasten it. Its 90-degree flange hooks over the ledger or rim joist, ensuring accurate alignment, while an adjustable bolt allows compatibility with various joist sizes from 2x4 to 2x12. This hands-free setup improves safety, speed, and accuracy, making it ideal for both professional builders and DIYers. It pairs well with joist hangers like the Simpson Strong Tie series. Wolfcraft B 3750 Universal Dowelling Set. The Wolfcraft B 3750 Zero Universal Dowelling Set is a comprehensive kit designed to make creating strong and precise dowel joints quick and effortless. Its universal doweling jig enables accurate and repeatable drilling without the need for manual measuring. Compatible with board thicknesses from 12mm to 30mm, it features 3 integrated bushings for 6mm, 8mm and 10mm dowels. The jig can produce edge-to-edge, T-butt and corner butt joints with perfect alignment. A secure board clamp and guide grooves ensure stability and accuracy. The set includes an 8mm drill bit, depth stop, and 40 wood dowels for immediate use. LEVOITE Wood Dowel Maker Jig. The LEVOITE Wood Dowel Maker Jig is a precision-engineered tool that lets woodworkers create custom-sized dowels from square stock using an electric drill. Made from durable CNC machined aluminum alloy with an anodized finish, it resists wear and corrosion. The jig features a rotatable, 4-sided carbide insert blade for extended cutting life and multiple holes for different dowel sizes, typically 8mm to 20mm. It produces smooth, perfectly round dowels, ideal for joinery and woodworking projects. Easy to operate, it ensures accuracy, consistency, and efficiency, allowing woodworkers to craft professional quality dowels quickly and reliably from a variety of hardwoods or softwoods. Rockler Pock-it Hole Clamp. The Rockler Quick Release. Pock-it Hole Clamp is a precision-engineered tool designed to make pocket hole joinery faster, easier, and more accurate. Its adjustable alignment pin fits directly into a pocket hole, ensuring perfect alignment between workpieces as screws are driven. The clamp includes interchangeable pins for both standard and micro pocket holes, and a quick release mechanism for rapid adjustments. With a 3 3/4 inch jaw capacity, ratcheting handle, and non-marring pad, it offers excellent versatility and protection for delicate materials. Constructed from lightweight, powder-coated cast aluminum with Acme threaded steel components, it delivers durability, precision, and ease of use for professional woodworkers. Leg Up Table Saw Panel Lift. The Leg Up Table Saw Panel Lift, also known as the Gorilla Gripper, Leg Up Panel Lift 58008, is a smart accessory that makes loading large sheets onto a table saw safer and easier. Using a leverage-assisted leg mechanism, it allows one person to lift and rotate heavy panels, like 4x8 plywood, with minimal effort. Its self-returning design resets automatically for the next load. Built from durable powder-coated steel, it mounts easily to most table saws. By reducing strain, preventing slips, and eliminating the need for a helper, the Leg Up greatly enhances both safety and efficiency in any workshop. Milwaukee Orbital 1/4 sheet sander. The Milwaukee M18 Orbital 1/4 sheet sander, Model 2649-20, is a cordless high-performance finishing tool designed for professionals who value speed, control, and comfort. Delivering up to 13,000 OPM with a variable speed dial, it provides precise material removal for a smooth, swirl-free finish. Its low vibration, ergonomic design minimizes fatigue, while RedLink technology protects against overload and overheating. The sander supports both hook and loop and clamped sandpaper, with excellent dust collection via a cotton bag or vacuum connection. Compatible with the M18 battery system, this sander ensures efficiency, durability, and versatility on any job site. Milescraft 8401 Trim 45. The Milescraft 8401 Trim 45 is a versatile carpentry tool designed to simplify trim installation around doors, windows, and other fixtures. It features an adjustable reveal setting that locks in consistent gaps from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, ensuring uniform results. Integrated tape measure slots with rare earth magnets allow for one person measuring, while built-in stick pins hold trim pieces securely for precise readings. The 45-degree angled head and built-in square enable accurate marking for miter and 90-degree cuts. With a clamp pad for stable positioning and durable construction, the Trim 45 enhances efficiency and precision for both professionals and DIY woodworkers. Swanson Savage ProScribe. The Swanson Savage ProScribe is a versatile tape measure that combines measuring, marking, and scribing into one efficient tool. Its patented retractable scribe guide allows users to mark straight lines, parallel edges, and even circles with precision. The integrated centering pin turns the tape into a functional compass for arcs and curves. Designed for convenience and safety, the guide also protects hands from splinters while marking. With a magnetic dual-end hook, double-sided blade, and rugged ABS casing with a rubber grip, it's built for durability and ease of use. Available in 16-foot, 25-foot, and 8-meter versions for different project needs. POWERTEC 71,489 Aluminum Multi-T-Track Fence. The POWERTEC 71,489 Aluminum Multi-T-Track Fence is a high-quality, 24-inch extruded aluminum fence designed for building custom jigs, fixtures, and fences for woodworking setups. With multiple precision-spaced T-tracks, it provides exceptional versatility for attaching accessories and fixtures. Built from corrosion-resistant premium-grade aluminum, it offers superior durability and rigidity. Each fence is laser measured for perfect straightness and features a left-to-right laser-etched measuring scale for precise alignment. The universal T-slots accept standard 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch T-bolts and hex bolts. Ideal for router tables, drill presses, and table saws, the 71489 integrates seamlessly with POWERTEC's expandable multi-track system. Wood Lathe Steady Rest. A wood lathe steady rest is a precision accessory designed to stabilize long, thin, or large workpieces during turning. It minimizes vibration, wobbling, and deflection for smoother, more accurate results. Most models feature 3 or more adjustable contact points with non-marring polyurethane or nylon wheels to hold the workpiece securely without damaging its surface. Built from heavy-duty cast iron or steel, the body ensures durability and stability. Adjustable arms accommodate various diameters, while quick-release levers and open yokes allow easy setup and removal. Ideal for spindle and bowl turning, the steady rest enhances safety, accuracy, and surface quality in wood turning projects. GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig Table. Saw Jig Guide. The GOINGMAKE Thin Rip Jig is a precision table saw accessory designed for safely and accurately cutting consistent thin strips. It mounts into the saw's miter slot to provide a reliable guide without relying on the rip fence, reducing kickback risk. Featuring a one-way roller bearing, it allows smooth forward movement while preventing reverse motion for added safety. Laser-engraved metric and imperial scales enable precise, repeatable adjustments, allowing cuts as thin as 1/32 inch. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it fits standard T-tracks and mitre slots, offering excellent compatibility, stability, and accuracy for professional and hobbyist woodworkers alike. RUITOOL Bench Dog Clamp. The RUITOOL Bench Dog Clamp is a compact lever action hold down clamp designed for 3/4 inch, 19mm dog holes, ideal for MFT style workbenches. It delivers up to 600 pounds of adjustable clamping pressure and can secure materials up to 2 3/4 inches thick. Constructed from aluminum alloy and stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting durability. Silicone pads protect workpieces from damage, while the knurled base keeps the clamp stable during use. Users appreciate its lightweight, one-handed operation, though some report the clamping knob may occasionally loosen. Overall, it's a practical, affordable solution for securing materials during woodworking and assembly tasks. Cabinet Hardware Jig All Aluminum Alloy. The Cabinet Hardware Jig All Aluminum Alloy is an essential tool for accurately installing handles, knobs, and pulls on cabinets and drawers. Top models include the True Position Tools Original Jig, known for its hardened anodized aluminum body, steel bushings, and lifetime warranty. The Craig Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro offers precise, repeatable drilling with adjustable steel guides and a reversible design. BEVEL's version provides affordability with durable alloy construction and modular components, while LEVOITE's Jig emphasizes speed, featuring a quick-release guide block. Each offers precision, versatility, and long-lasting performance for professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts alike. 3-in-1 variable speed electric belt sander. The 3-in-1 variable speed electric belt sander is a powerful and adaptable machine designed for a range of sanding and grinding applications. The BEVEL 3-in-1 model features a 1,500 watt pure copper motor with a variable frequency drive (VFD) for stepless speed control, offering circular, arc, and flat grinding modes. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability and stability. For small-scale projects, mini 3-in-1 belt sanders from brands like Nuodunco provide compact, portable operation with adjustable 7-speed control. Ideal for jewelry making and fine craftwork. Choose based on your needs, industrial precision or hobbyist versatility. Rockler 9-inch quick draw marking gauge. The Rockler 9-inch quick draw marking gauge is a precision measuring tool designed for quick one-handed operation. Its spring-loaded pencil carriage maintains constant pressure, allowing smooth, accurate marking up to 9 inches from the edge. Made from durable aluminum and reinforced plastic, it features a reversible ruler with imperial and metric scales. The low-friction base ensures glide without scratching surfaces. It also functions as a T-square for perpendicular marking. While many users praise its convenience, some note issues with build quality and durability. Still, with a bit of care or modification, it remains a handy marking solution for efficient, accurate woodworking.